Today we're tightening up some slop on a Craftsman and or Troy-Bilt lawnmower. Now these machines are, well, they're like an okay lawnmower. I mean, they cut the grass, you know, but they feel kind of junky when you can move the handlebars easily like this. And what this is actually an issue of this hardware in here, which is two pieces of plastic sandwiching the handlebars. And then if you can see this top one moving in relation to the lawnmower, that's actually the back half of the lawnmower. And those screws are loose right there. So what we're going to need, we actually have a Torx T-handle. This is a T40. And then because these are only screwed into plastic, we have a 3/8 on a 3/8 gun. Don't break out your 1/2 inch. You're just going to strip it out. So we're just going to set the wheel height a little bit differently, all the way up, so we can get these ones on the side here. So we have a couple quick zips. Same thing, both sides. There we go. That eliminated some of the slop. And once again, you can use these. Make sure that the hardware is actually in place, but I find it a lot easier to just take your T40, put it in here, and just crank it down a little bit so it holds these a little bit tighter. Okay, so 2 minutes out here with the lawnmower. It's not perfect, but it's a lot better. I'm actually going to go a little bit tighter on these. Now, I'm being kind of careful not to strip the whole assembly out. You can imagine trying to put this much torque in that little thumb screw down there. Not very easy. A lot of these machines will come like this from the factory. So definitely a good little adjustment you can make on your machine if you want it to feel a little bit more rigid. There we go, much better. Look at that, 3 minutes, get it all tuned up.